Good morning, Internet. It's your favorite misunderstood mountain bro back at it again with another episode of Yeti Unfiltered. I just saw a group of humans, maybe 50 meters away. If I don't make it, tell Bigfoot he owes me money. Luckily, I covered myself in snow, and they thought I was just a weird-looking rock. In the next vlog, I'll show you the glowing box one of the humans must have dropped. Oh, it's still blinking. Creepy.
Hey everyone, it's me, Bigfoot, and today we're going ice fishing.
Today was amazing. Look what we just caught. So we've just caught some fresh fish from the creek. I am so excited to fry them up here for us tonight.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy, the Yeti Man, and today, woo, we're making steaks. Ladies and gentlemen, behold day, the forest fillet. Some people meditate. I marinate. Guys, listen. If this video gets 100,000 likes, then I'll shave off ALL my fur. This is where the magic happens. I don't count calories. I count vibes.
This is what life's about. It's a plant-based steak, totally vegan, promise.